Okay, thanks for joining us. This is just a test of our system. We want to see if we're able to record uh, pretty decent video as well as audio representations of my desktop to see what we can do for online classes. Alright, let's see. Let's go ahead. This program I'm using is called Stellarium. It represents the view of our area around here. You could set it to wherever you are in the world. This is currently set to Florida, so we're looking at our sky right now from my region out in Mayaca. So let's bring this to a nice spot, and let's go ahead and just accelerate into the day. Let's just kind of test out some concepts. Gonna time that right. Whoop! That was a little too fast. Have to work out my technique here. We want to get it so we can just see the moon and Venus. There we go. So right around 7 o'clock in the evening we get a beautiful western view. The sun is setting, or has set. The glow is still visible clearly, but we can see the moon and Venus high in the western sky. First with Venus, as we get closer to Venus, you can see it's very close to the Pleiades. In fact, I believe it's on April 2nd. The Venus will be passing right through the Pleiades right here. Now let's take a closer look at Venus. As we get close, you'll see how fast it's moving. You can kind of see it's drifting through the view. As we get closer and closer, it appears to move faster and faster. It isn't moving faster and faster. Of course, the apparent motion just simply becomes visible. But as you can see, as you look at Venus, it looks like the moon in one of its phases. That's what you would see if you magnified the view. So let's drag this out. And let's check out the moon. As we zoom in, there we go, we reveal that tonight we're going to be seeing the first quarter, which would be an excellent time to look at the moon. This side is the daytime side. This side is obviously the nighttime side. It's right here that is arguably the most fascinating, along what we call the terminator that divides daytime from nighttime. You could call this side right here, this part right here, it would either be dusk or dawn depending on the direction of the light's motion. If you were sitting right here in the dark, you'd see the light of the sun creeping over the horizon. So what this reveals to us is that this is the dawn horizon. This is the dawn terminator. We're working towards a full moon. Eventually, in about 2 weeks, what we're going to have is a flip-flop, and it'll be light on this side and dark on this side, and the terminator will be there, and then it'll be a dusk terminator. Anyway, this is just proof of concept, so let's back out and see our view. There we go. All right, let's see how this looked. Thanks for joining us.